Hello and welcome back to Do It Yourself Smart Code. In this video I want to show you the task list advanced, which is a little project of mine I created with bolt.diy and cursor. So most of it is built with bolt directly and about 10% with cursor then, just for refactoring and tour guide at the end I will show now. So for this, let's start with clearing my cache so we can see the intro, the tour again. So as you see, you can go through all functions, see descriptions for each, and get to know the features of the task list. So if you are done, you can start with two examples. Here's a simple example list and Windows bolt installation task list from my last video. You maybe know from the bolt installation video with all the steps. So we can edit stuff here. We can mark it as headline or not. Headlines are shown as bigger headlines, and with subtasks under it you can drag and drop and reorder the tasks. You can copy the code blocks if needed and paste it in your terminal for a comment like this. You can delete stuff, and of course you can check your items. You can check the whole block on the headline, and of course you can at the end, when you're finished, export your work, save it as JSON file. Then you can go to the main page again, just reload here, I already exported it, and then you can import it again, and here it is. So you can save it locally, nothing to store in the cloud, just easy and clean. So what we want to do now is also configure the AI usage. In this case we can use Google API key. I will paste in my Google API key now. If you don't have one, you can get one by clicking on the Get API key. Then you just have to log in to a Google account and can create one for free. I save this and we get a new input where we now can tell the AI to create task list for us. I've prepared a little example. So create a task list which represents all features of this app. Let's just fire this up, and in a few seconds we should get an example list from the AI. And there it is. So here's an example with a lot of code. You can directly copy, you can reorder it and adjust it as needed. So you can just create very fast your task list without creating them on your own with single items, which can take a lot of time. So I think I showed all features of the app. I forgot the help in the bottom right corner. You can see a little help box with some information about the features and how to get started. Yeah, and that's it. If you want to deploy it on your own server, you can click to the link to my Git repository where you can find this project. Here's also a README on how to clone it and how to run it. It's just standard. Clone the repo, go in the directory, npm install and npm run dev to run the dev server, and then you can open it on localhost. Yeah, what else do we have? I think these are the main features of the app. Yeah, I would be happy to get your comments and let me know if you like it, if not, if something is missing. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments as well if you have other topics I should cover. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.